So here's the complete thing.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is just a dream. Today I'm gonna unbox my birthday gift. Yay! Yay! It's gonna be really fun.
Okay, let me open it and then you can.
Okay, open it.
Nice day.
Oh, we can't get it out.
Be careful. You're gonna break it if you're not careful. Uh-oh, time to get back. Just kidding. We can unbox it.
Can we play with it?
Yeah, really quick. We can play for it with 10 minutes for 10 minutes.
Hey, wait. Okay, it says put this thing.
No, just wait. Get the whole thing first.
Get the whole thing
I'm
out.
gonna let you unbox it.
Mommy, I cannot get this tape off.
Yours. So we got the yellow.
Oh, this is all kinds of toys over here.
You can use the. Oh, where's that thing that you have with all the fish and stuff from the pool? Let's get it out. So I think we need to back off a little bit. I can't see any of this video. Oh, okay, look at the bottom. So that's what it comes with.
Oh, how you connect it? How you make it?
Hold on, let's put it together.
What is this?
Hey, give me the instruction. We gotta read it. I guess we can put it.
I got it in.
Where's Shallow? Wait.
Mom, I got this open. Oh, I got it.
Shallow, Naomi, put it all in the table, please.
Got it.
Naomi, put it all in the table, please. You're gonna break. Naomi, put it in the table, please.
Yay. I got this open.
Wait, just wait. You gotta wait. I gotta figure this out first.
I can't wait. No, I don't know. Mom, look, Mommy. I connected. Got it. Got it open. No, I got all the toys.
Hey, you're gonna lose that stuff.
Mommy, can you help us?
Oh no, I'm gonna just wait. I gotta read the instructions first.
Everybody, let's bring it to Mommy.
Just put it in the front, Shallow, there. In the front. I gotta first drain the plug. Put the drain plug.
Drain plug. You, Mom. Okay. Got all this stuff. Hey, give me that.
So here's the complete thing. This part like has a hole in it, and then this is a, you can control this, and then where's the thing, Naomi, over here? Yeah, you could like move this thing. Move this thing. This one is a sprayer, and then this one has a dumps into the bucket, and the bucket will dump water. And there's a
Mommy, Mommy, I want to go water
lots
for
of
this.
fun.
Can we get some water for this?
We still need to fix this. What kind of tools do you have there? You bucket.
I got a bucket, a boat, and a thing.
There's 2 buckets. And this thing needs to be put in properly too. I don't have a screw yet.
Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is dry a dream.
I think you need to get the water a little bit up a little bit. Turn the water up a little bit, shallow. I think this one is.
Well, you boat. I'll turn the water up now.
Just a little, not too much. Peekaboo. It's a peekaboo.
Peekaboo! It's peekaboo!
Why is this not sprinkling?
Oh no!
Oh, see, it works.
Why I can't screw this?
I know, we gotta turn it on. Let's just try that.
Oopsie.
It's not working.
Oh, it's peekabooing!
Yeah, be careful with it.
Right. Why I can't turn this on?
Okay, there you go. Okay, the water is coming out. Yummy, just wait. It's coming on, Yummy. It's about to turn on, Yummy. Shallow, just wait. Don't make it so wet. There you go, Yummy. There you go.
It's rainbow.
Hey, this one. Now look at this. Be careful, Naomi. Careful.
Mom, why this one will not turn on?
Let's wait, Shallow. Let's see.
Whoa! Oh, it's,
No.
it's opening!
Oh no, we gotta turn off. That's enough. That's enough. Just calm down, you two. Go turn off the water. That's enough.
We want to play.
Hey, turn it off. Turn it
Mommy,
off, please.
Can we turn it off and
Open the plug.
Open this.
I'm sorry, just open it.
I want to see what
It's
happens.
gonna. Ooh.
Wow! It's draining all the water. The boat is
It's draining off all the water so it won't mold. Shallow, go put this back. Go put the straw back.